All right, it's been a while since this thing has been on, so we're gonna start it up. I gotta figure out how to put my phone. Now, just put the headlights on. Now we're gonna do my grandfather's. Oh! All right, let's get this thing fired up because I can't even see where the brake is. Hopefully, yeah. Oh boy. Wow, that really got it some gas going. Woo! We got the Camry up and running. Uh-oh. What the? Hey, there we go. I think it's been sitting here for so long that it had trouble starting. Let's hope it doesn't shut off again. Yeah, this one's gonna definitely need a run for a bit. Just gonna just open the windows real quick. Just gonna open. Yeah, this one's definitely got a good one going. Woo! Just gonna mute this. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, it was easy for this one to start up because my grandma already did hers. So that's pretty much it. See you later.